Also for us, what they do, Coach Rassie, like people say transformation is putting back players in the team, but for us, they put guys in the team who are good enough to be there, but then they upskill us. Like when I became captain, Coach Rassie has known me since I was 18 years old. He knows that I will probably struggle at the beginning because I was shy. This is a big thing, and I was very scared. And then he made the pressure points. He made everybody a leader in the team so that I had one job, and my only job was to talk to the ref and manage the team's discipline. So each guy had a role. So I'm growing, everybody else is also growing. Now we have so many leaders in the team. Then outside that, in the past they would say black guys are not good at high balls. Coach Rassie picked black guys and colored guys at wing. Coach Stick teach them every single time, are those